Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, do you remember what had happened with hundreds of international students sometime back? Their admission letter or letter of acceptance was found fraudulent later after they came to Canada, and years later it was identified, and some were even facing deportation. I don't know what has happened because as per the last update, they were gonna go after case by case. So I really don't know what has happened to each of them, but that matter was so much abuzz across media. Now, when this happened, there was too much of demand to do something about international student integrity. I mean, streamline the process, make the process robust, secure, so that such fraudulent activities can be minimized. Because if you see that based on the same admission letter, fake admission letter, the student was granted visa, the student was granted entry, and so definitely it gives us the impression that the process needs to improve. So today, our Honorable Immigration Minister, Mr. Mark Miller, has made an announcement that they're gonna do something to um, strengthen international student program integrity. This is really good. And at the same time, he has said that uh, he is not in favor of he is not in favor of limiting cap. Okay. He's not in favor of putting the cap. So what are the important points of this? So starting 1st December, uh, the post-secondary DLIs will be required to confirm every applicant's letter of acceptance directly with IRC. This is what I was talking about, right? Remember, in my previous videos, I have said this. This new enhanced verification system, there'll be, this is definitely help to protect from letter of acceptance fraud. So such cases will not even happen, and even if they happen, they will be caught initially itself rather than getting identified much later. Okay. In the time of fall 2024 semester, they will be going ahead with a recognized institution framework to benefit DLIs. Okay. In the coming month, the IRCC will also do an assessment of postgraduate work permit program criteria. Wow. And then they will, like, based on their analysis, they will carry out um, changes or whatever is required, of course. So that time will say. But the first point, like verification, were to be required to confirm every letter of acceptance directly with IRC. This will definitely solve a lot of problem, and this is the need of the hour. So I really welcome this step, and I hope this will be better for Canada's future and integrity of this program. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think about it. Thank you.